Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the address bar search engine on your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Firefox if it's not already open, and you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window. It should be three horizontal lines all stacked one on top of another. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select options. Select the search button on the left side, and underneath default search engine, this is your default search engine in the address bar and search bar. Click inside of it and then set it to whatever you want. We're going to change it to Google for today's tutorial, and that's pretty much it. So once you're done with that, you close out of here, restart your browser, and that should be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.